In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Now select All Services, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on Delete button next to Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!